In this video, we review the American Express Business Checking account. Have you used the American Express Business Checking account before? What was your experience? Leave your American Express Business Checking review in the comments section below. The American Express Business Checking account offers a compelling option for small business owners seeking a fee-free checking solution with competitive interest rates. Notably, it provides a 1.3% annual percentage yield, APY, on balances up to $500,000, a feature uncommon among traditional business checking accounts. One of the account's standout features is its lack of monthly maintenance fees and minimum balance requirements, making it accessible for businesses of various sizes. Additionally, it supports unlimited fee-free transactions, including domestic incoming wire transfers, which is advantageous for businesses with frequent transaction needs. The account also offers a cashback debit card that earns one membership rewards point for every $2 spent on eligible purchases. This can be beneficial for businesses looking to accumulate rewards on their expenditures. However, there are limitations to consider. The account does not support cash deposits, which could be a significant drawback for businesses that handle cash transactions regularly. Additionally, it does not offer outgoing international wire transfers, potentially limiting international business operations. The account also does not support jointly owned accounts and provides only one debit card per account, which may not meet the needs of businesses requiring multiple cards for different employees. While the account offers 24/7 customer support, some users have reported mixed experiences with the service. For instance, some have encountered issues with certain utility companies not accepting the account for payments, highlighting potential challenges with certain transactions. In summary, the American Express Business Checking account presents a strong option for small businesses seeking a fee-free checking account with competitive interest rates and rewards on debit card purchases. However, businesses that handle cash transactions or require international wire transfers may find these limitations restrictive. It's essential for business owners to assess their specific needs and consider these factors when evaluating this account.